Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Respected lovers of Hafiz Shirazi, we have gathered here to commemorate the great poet of this world, Hafiz Shirazi. I like to talk something regarding his fame and his love the Indian subcontinent has given to Hafiz. Hafiz Shirazi, born in Shiraz in 1715 Hijrah and lived for 76 years and died, and he was, we know, the Hafiziyeh, the place of his grave in Shiraz, and the people commemorate every year the work and the personality of this great, loving poet. He was a Hafiz by Quran and also very educated person, though he was from a very poor family. His mother brought up because his father died in the early childhood of his life. And we have translations of Hafiz in English, in French, in German, in Spanish, in Urdu, in Bangala, in Punjabi, in many languages, in Turkish. But the problem is, most of the people have talked about the poetic love, the Sufism, the mysticism, but they have not narrated the beauty of the poetry, which is one of the important factor of his fame, the way to say the verse. And you know that in subcontinent, whether it was the king's court or whether it is the normal people, the markets, the gatherings, they remember Hafiz. Sahib Tabrizi said, Sahib, Chetawa kard ba taklif azizan, warna taraf Khwaja shudan bi basari bud. The Urfi Shirazi, who was the court poet of Jahangir, he wrote, Begird Marqad Hafiz ke Kabaye Suqanas, Dar Amadim ba Azme Tawaf dar Parwas. It is essential every poet to be respect the Hafiz Shiraz because he is the Kaaba of the poetry of the Ghazal. Nasir Ali Sarhandi says, Ali, dar bahre Hafiz dasto pai mi zanad harshab, kuja danand halema, subuk sarane sahel ha. People don't know. Every night, I am with the Hafiz. So, in our subcontinent, the Fale Hafiz, the Mughal Empire will not be existing if Tohmasp, the king of Iran, has not helped Humayun, and Humayun went to him after taking the fall of Hafiz. It is said that Hafiz's son Noman is buried in India, Burhanpur, and the best golden written by the calligraphers, the best productions of Diwan-e-Hafiz was from India. So, the relation of Hafiz with the subcontinent India, including India and Pakistan, is to be studied. Dear friends, as I was telling, that Hafiz is not only famous by those stories that he wants to visit India. You know, when the king of Baghdad invited him, Hafiz didn't go. When the minister from Isfahan invited him, Ahmad, he wrote to Ahmad, I cannot come. And that time, Iraq و پارس گرفتی با شعر خود حافظ بیا که نوبت بغداد و وقت تبریز است. Every part of the world wants that he should visit us. From South India, the Bahmani dynasty, the King Mahmud sent money and a lot of present. Please come. And he even went to the Lahore, and some people wrote that he even sat in the ship, but when there was a little turbulence, so he will come out and he recite the share of Sadi. Badariya munafa bi shumaras. Badariya munafa bi shumaras. Agar khahi salamat bar kanaras. So he come out to the shore. And also from Bengala, Ghayasuddin Balban, when he wants, he sent his ghazal. Shakar shikan shavand hame tutiyan hind. Ze qand farsi ke ba Bengala mi rawat. Hafiz ze shokh majlis sultan Ghayasuddin ghafil masho ke kar tu asnale mi rawat. The important ashar, the verses, the poetry, which is very common in subcontinent India, some of the verses, which is eternal, which is immortal. Hargiz namirat aanke dilish zinda shud ba ishq. Saptas bar jaraid alam dawae ma. Saptas bar jaraid alam dawae ma. We are going to exist. There is no destruction to us because our hearts are totally nourished by the love, the ishq. Jange haftad do millat hamera uzr bena chuna didand haqiqat dar afsane zadan. There is 72 sects in Islam. It's because the people have not seen the truth. They are making the stories. Madar piyale aksar rukhe yar di daim ay bi khabar ze lazzat sharbe mudame ma. What a aesthetic and loveful words I have presented to you. You remember that when Taimur Lang, it said that wants Hafiz, and Hafiz, agar Turke Shirazi, badastara dile mara, bakhale Hinduish baksham, samar khando Bukhara ra. Zeshir. So he told that I have destroyed the whole world to just make the Samarkand and Bukhara in this shape, and you just want to sell for a mole of your lover. Hafiz told, so because of that, I am in this position now. So, Zeshere Hafiz Shiraz bi goyand mi rakhsan siya chashmane Kashmiri wa Turkane Samarkandi. What I am telling, that he is famous everywhere. Hafiz is the poet of love, poet of humanity, poet of dignity, poet of pride and proud. It is the Iranian nation, how much they can proud and do the pride on Hafiz is not total. He is living in our heart. Hargiz namirat aanke dilish zinda shud ba ishq. Sabtast bar jaraid alam dawaima. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.